AI should be an enabler of people and processes. Change that SEW has made in our industry. At WE3, innovation feels like a new place to come home. Connected platforms are essential. I think days are gone where you can piecemeal together a solution. Truly having an enterprise model, having an enterprise solution that is connected across not just the IT organization, but across accounting, across our field work. We need to make sure that whatever we do integrates, and not only for our employees, but also for our customers. And so when I think of connected platforms, it's both internal and external, because we need to be able to communicate effectively within our organization and with our customers. And if you have bifurcated systems, it's more effort, it's not as efficient, and it's not serving our ratepayers to the best of our ability. People feel that AI is going to replace people, that it's going to basically make some roles completely extinct. I'm a believer that AI should be an enabler of people and processes and not truly a replacement. I think AI can be a great enhancement. It can refine, it can save us time and effort and get us efficiently where we need to go. But what's going to make AI work is the people component. It's the people and that human engineering to review what the AI outputs are, to review what the possibilities are. And I think having that critical thinking from a human can never truly be replaced by AI. It's been a long time. I'll tell a quick story. I mean, it must be almost 10 years ago now. I was a board member that I would say is a little bit more technology focused, and at Distributech, I was roaming around the booths, and I ran across a very intriguing presentation and an intriguing man in Deepak. He was standing, greeting people in the booth, and I'd never heard of SEW at the time, and I was just so entranced by the offering that this, at the time, very new, nascent company, and ever since then, I've tracked SEW. It has, it's been a journey to partner with SEW, but we are so happy with the partnership with the customer portal. It's night and day from what we had. It's easy, it's transparent, it's user-friendly, and then now it's really exciting for the non-portal public that we had before is on the commercial side, and to be able to roll out a commercial solution where our customers can actually pay their bills and see their usage, which they never were able to do on the commercial side, is such a game changer. So we're very happy to see these first two streams of work. I'm very excited to see what's next with a partnership of SEW, but I'm so proud to see how the company has grown, to see the base, to see the impacts around the world, and the change that SEW has made in our industry is exciting. I can't wait to see what new products and what new offerings SEW can not only offer SMUD, but the utility industry as a whole. What I like about WE3 is that it's different. It's unique. It is a very brain trust rich organization, which is different. So I think most of the executives here, we get invited to speak at PowerGen or Distributech in these large conferences, and it's a sea of people. Here, I love the quality of thought and the roles and responsibilities of the people who attend, and so it just gives a unique experience to be able to connect on a deeper level with fellow executives, trustees, elected members, and vendors in a much more intimate, but I would say an opportunity to have those more frank conversations and deeper conversations than at most conferences. This is one of the best in the industry, and you can tell by the caliber of people. And so it's very exciting every year to see how it's grown, but at the same time kept to the roots of really executive strategic focus, which is a great attributes that this conference can bring to people like me who really need to hear from others in the business and to really be able to absorb and listen and hopefully take a bit home that we can use and hopefully in the same process that I've shared some good knowledge to our industry also. At WE3, innovation feels like a new place to come home, because I think at times we feel innovation is just the bright and shiny, where I really feel that innovation should be from the heart. And so when you come here and you feel the passion from Deepak, you feel the passion from our utility leaders, that's what it should feel like. It should feel like innovation is leading you back to a home place that can bring you new hope, new ideas for the future, and that spark to lead the next generation of innovative ideas, but also innovative leaders.